Welcome back. Now, on this episode, I'll be showing you how to make payment for the US visa fee on the GT Bank application or online banking. But before I proceed, there's something important I'd like you to know. Now, there are different kinds of visa. There's the B visa, there's the C1 visa, there's the D, there's the F, there's the I, there's the J, there's the M, and the likes. You can read more on this. These are the different classes of US visa applicable to Nigerians. So, the next stage is, what is the cost of a US visa? The cost of a US visa in Nigeria is about $160. However, in Naira, it is about 67,200. And the good thing is, it is a fixed rate on the GT Bank app or on the GT Bank online banking. So which means you don't have to pay extra whenever you are making this transaction. It's just a fixed rate. But to get started, kindly visit the GT Bank app or the GT Bank online banking. Once it loads, depending on your kind of account, if it's a personal account or a business account, just click anyone that applies, then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, wait for it to load, then click on the login, click here to login. The next thing you want to do is to enter your user ID and password. I want to assume that you already have GT Bank internet banking options. So if you don't, you have to contact your bank to give you this access. But if you can only do this if you have access, if you're already using the GT Bank online banking or the GT Bank app, you can make this payment from any of those two platforms. So once you enter your ID and password, I'll have to enter my ID and password right now. But now that I have successfully logged in, I can either click on proceed to internet banking, or on the left hand side right here, I can click on airline, bus tickets, visa fees, and hotels. So what we basically need is this. So I'll click on this option. But what we need, or what we are looking for, is the US visa. Now let's click on the US visa. So now let's click on the, so once you click on the US visa, you want to start the payment process, or click on make new payment. You have to put in your name, your surname. As you know, my name is Leke Adelaja. Let me just copy this out, and I can enter my name here and passport number. Let's just say I'm using something like 0 something something something, something like that. It's just a random number. I'm just doing this to show you how it works. So my birthday, 11th October. Let me just put in something random. Phone number, I'll just put in a random number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, whatever. So select visa category. Now what we are looking at is the business tourist visa, and I'll click on that to make sure that all your information is correct. And if you feel you've done everything right, you can select the particular account you want GT Bank to debit. Then you must also enter your token code or the USSD. And to do that, if you don't have a token, you can make use of your mobile phone connected to the GT Bank online banking. So you can just dial *737*7#. It's going to give you a code. Once it gives you that code, you input it here. Then you click on pay. Once you click on pay, it automatically generates the US visa fee receipts, and that is how to make payment for the US visa fee. Now if you want to check, maybe for some reasons you need to print this, or you want to check that number, you can always come back to US visa, come back to airlines and travels, click on the US visa, and you can find under the transaction history, you can click on print receipts. Once you click on print receipts, it shows you, once you click on print receipt, it's going to load the receipt where you can have everything you need. So now, and the most important thing on this receipt is the transaction reference. This number is needed whenever you're filling in your DS-160 form. It is like, without this you can't complete your DS-160 form, and you can't actually get an appointment date. So welcome to the next stage on how to make payment for the US visa application on the GTBank app. So all you just have to do is click on your GTBank app. I'll be blurring this part again. So I'll just click on my username and my password. So once you log in, click on this menu right here. It shows you this page. Now click on bill payment. On the bill payment, you see several services you can make payment from this app. But what we're more interested in is the airline, which is the visa fee. As you can see, this is the visa fee right here. Now click on visa fee. You can see we have the Dubai visa fee, the Turkish visa, the US visa fee collection. Now let's click on the US visa fee collection. US Embassy visa fee payment. US Embassy visa fee payment. Then let's click on that. It's showing us applicant surname. Let's enter my surname. Let's say Ade. My given names. Let's say Leke. My passport number. Let's just put something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever. Let's say something like 0A0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. My date of birth. Let's put that 1110. Let's say 1960. You have to put in your real age. I'm just using this as an example. So then put in your phone number or 0000. Select visa type. I'm looking at the business tourist visa. Then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, it shows you the cost for the visa, which is 67,200. Then make sure all your information is correct. Then click on continue. Then it shows you the bank. You have to select the bank where you want the reduction to be made. So once you select your bank, you can then proceed. So it asks you to, you can either enter remarks, which means more. You can just for, you can just say something like visa fee, but it's not compulsory anyway. So you can say visa fee, then enter your PIN code. Let's assume, so then you enter your PIN code. So once you enter your PIN code, you click on make payment, confirm payment. So that's how to make payment for the visa fee on the GTBank app.